So in this video, I will show you guys some winning products that I found that's helping me make over $10,000 a day, as well as how I found them. And I'm gonna be showing you the actual process behind how I find these winning products that are able to hit the 10K a day that I'm currently doing right now, $12,361. And these products aren't super hard to find, and it's not super complicated. I think too many people think you have to find some hidden product with some hidden product research method, when in reality, this product right here was scaled because another dropshipper went ahead and ran this product and proved the market and proved its audience to me. All I did was improve their offer, improve their landing page, as well as improve on their creatives, and that's how they would hit 10K a day. So today, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how you can hit 10K a day and above with your product research method. And there's a super simple way to do that, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So we are starting off our product research with something called Facebook Ads Library. Now, many of you guys know this already, but if you don't, Facebook's basically showing us all the ads that are being currently ran on their platform. And if you don't know what this is, there should be a link down below. But the first things first, you want to choose the United States as your country because most brands and dropshipping stores are advertising to the United States. And the next thing you want to do is click add a category and choose all ads. Now, here's the first mistake somebody does. They're going to go in and search up a keyword like shop now, a super broad generic keyword that a lot of dropshippers use. But staying on this page is really bad because everyone uses shop now, and these brings up really broad ads. So for example, as you can see jewelry right here. You can see Mother's Day ads, you can see breathing ads, steam therapy, a bunch of things. But what you really want to do is get off of these broad keywords and go ahead and search up keywords that go into a specific niche. So for example, let me go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, plus size girls loving, that means they're going to go ahead and go to a niche that's mainly going to be for plus size girls. As you can see, wide leg pants, put a new spin. These keywords are going to bring you to the clothing niche. It's going down right here. For example, fabulous stretch. We're going to go ahead and use this keyword right here and bring us to the clothing niche. We don't want to stay on shop now and keep scrolling, which many people are currently doing. So go ahead and copy this, open a new tab, right click, duplicate. Go ahead and remove shop now, put in fabulous stretch, and go ahead and click enter. Now we're going to scroll down here to see what ads are here. I see one already right here. And we would have never found this website, this dropshipping website, as you can see. We kept scrolling shop now because this is in the shapewear niche or the clothing niche, and this basically helps girls get a better shape for their bodies. As you can see, they're basically putting on all their size, their weight, their height, all that stuff, and it makes them look really, really slim with the shapewear, curve enhancing confidence. That's exactly what girls want. Supportive the design, made to move. It's basically showing a before and after how it looks like with shapewear on and off. And shapewear is really popular, especially with summer months coming up because people are trying to show off in the beach, going to parties, hanging out, all that good stuff. So this is a perfect website that shows up the product. It looks really, really good, as you can see. Let's go ahead and watch their ad creative.
Super snatching, yet you get comfort. Just because you are a plus size girly does not mean that you have to be showing up to the beach in a giant shirt and some shorts, okay? My favorite shapewear brand now has bathing suits. They are so amazing. I'm so obsessed with this color. It holds the girls up so well, snatches you up. It has a built-in shapewear. I love the ruching right here in the middle to kind of like...
All right, we're not going to finish the ad, but as you can see, it was really, really good in the beginning. And this creator right here that's selling this is the perfect avatar for this product. As you can see, she looks a lot slimmer with the product on. So any plus size girls that watch this ad is going to be like, oh, I don't want to go to the beach with giant sweaters and basically covering up. I want to look like this. And this is basically why this product is really good for this avatar. Now we're going to keep scrolling because now we're in the niche of fabulous stretch, which is basically fashion. And fabulous stretch usually means clothes that stretch. And it's usually going to be for ads that basically have stretching clothes. We're going to scroll down and see if we have any more ads. So we can go ahead and see. This one right here looks pretty good.
I feel like a mermaid. I'm going to a black tie wedding this coming weekend. The dress I got in for it didn't fit very well on top and I wasn't comfortable. So I was scrolling the other night and these girls were wearing this dress and just looked fabulous in it. And it fit so many different body shapes. They were talking about how soft it is, how stretchy it is.
There you go. Like I said, soft, stretchy, and these girls look really, really good wearing them. It basically is for plus size girls that can't wear dresses or else they're going to look really, really fat. So this solves that problem. Let's go ahead and click shop now, look at their website. And this website looks really, really good. It basically shows a girl right here with a dress on. Go ahead and scroll down. A bunch of testimonials, which is great for the product. And like I said, they're really honing in a stretch niche right here. So that means any plus size girls that wants to go ahead and wear a dress that's also very comfortable, they're going to be able to go ahead and buy this dress right here. But like I said, we would have never found these two products if we kept doing on shop now and kept scrolling. It's because we're on the fabulous stretch niche right here. But let me go ahead and show you guys another example. If you click here and look at some keywords that they have. So for example, feel confident might be another keyword right here. Copy this, right click here, duplicate. Go ahead and search up feel confident. Now for Feel Confident, it makes sense for people that own gyms or gym programs to go ahead and advertise, because when you work out, you feel good and you feel confident. So there's gonna be a lot of that going on right here. As you can see now, we're literally in the gym niche, which is great because there's gonna be some products for the gym niche. So scrolling down, let's go ahead and watch this ad right here with Joe Rogan on it.
If I offered you $30 million for the company, would you take it?
We can't do that.
He offered you $30 million and you didn't even flinch.
You should feel confident. I give you total credit, and I think you guys have done some brilliant things. I don't think the risk reward is there for me, and for those reasons, I'm still out.
Thanks, Mark.
You're making a big mistake, my friend.
Well,
Guys, thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
All right, well, this ad's the 2 minutes long, but it did catch my attention because of the Shark Tank. As you can see in the ad, they literally said feel confident. Let's go ahead and watch this ad right here and go on their website. So this is basically a gum that enhances your energy and focus, which basically makes people feel confident. They have a bundle set up, a bunch of testimonials, as you can see. Go ahead and scroll down. A bunch of different ways this product helps. As you can see, energy spikes and crashes for coffee, but now you get smooth, lasting energy. You get jitters and restlessness, but now you get calm focus. Exactly, this is what the product does, is help people focus and energy. By the way, if you're interested in working with me one-on-one to help you get results like one of the stores you just saw, because I've helped many people, even complete beginners, hit their first 1K day, 5K day, 10K day, and even more. I help them find their first winning product, create their brand in Shopify store, and I'll even go ahead and help you run your ads. We have a student right here that's been able to do $100,000 in the first month with a mentorship at 30% profit margin. We have another student that just started and already doing 4 to 6K a day in revenue. And we have another student right here that has done over 40K in a single day. So if you want results just like this one, and you want my help one-on-one, make sure to go ahead and book a call with me down below, and I'll see you on the other side. Go ahead and scroll down to see if there's more products on here. So I'm going to keep scrolling down. We have an ad right here.
Believe it or not, it's not Ripley's. It's your next Akasoli foot pads. Here are 8 reasons why Akasoli is like a secret weapon for supporting your body's natural health and resilience. Wow. No fear of neuropathy creeping in. Akasoli's unique design may encourage healthy blood flow, helping your feet stay comfortable and energized. Second, risk of edema reduced.
All right, now you can see this product right here is an insole. It basically helps people walk without feeling pain. Let's go and look at their website right here. As you can see, the website is really, really good. It helps relieve tired, achy feet, stop soreness, improve posture. All of these things right here. And like I said, this product research method, you would have never found this product if you kept going on Shop Now and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling. It's only because we went ahead and searched up Feel Confident, which we got from this tab right here, Fabulous Stretch, which we got Fabulous Stretch from Shop Now. So here's the rabbit hole method. And basically what I do, I go from Shop Now to one niche to another niche to another niche. And this product right here looks really, really good, and it's really convincing for somebody to go ahead and buy this product. And people are willing to pay for a lot when the product helps them walk. We'll do one more example. Going back here, let's go ahead and see if there's any keywords over here that we can go ahead and use. You can go ahead and use, do you struggle with foot pain? You could use, are you sick? You could use not being able to walk. So we're going to go ahead and use this, not being able to walk, copy this, right click here, duplicate, search able to walk. So now we're going to be more in the walking niche instead of trying to feel confident. But if you're having a hard time using different keywords to go into different niches to find winning products, you can go ahead and use this tool right here called AdScout. And they basically make it super easy for you to go ahead and find winning products. So let's go ahead and jump into the dashboard right here. By the way, if you want to use this tool, AdScout, there should be a link down below. You can use the code Andrew15 for 15% off. Go ahead and click login. All right, once you're in AdScout, it's pretty easy to find winning products on here because they mainly show you dropshipping stores, where Facebook Ads Library shows you everything: gym equipment, personal trainers, taco shops, flower shops, things that aren't really dropshipping, but AdScout usually has a lot of dropshipping ads. For example, the first ad you see right here is already a dropshipping product. As you can see, these bodysuits right here are all from AliExpress. This second product right here, go ahead and watch this ad real quickly.
I'm going to shave my vagina right here for this video, and if you don't want to watch it, you are warned. I warn you many, many, many times. This razor is phenomenal. I swear by it. And I'm not going to tell you it's going to shave your kitty cat by shaving this dog, okay? That is not the same consistency of hair down there.
All right, this ad is 5 minutes. I'm not watching the whole thing, but you get the idea. This razor is to shave girls down there. Go ahead and click shop now. And this product right here is actually on AliExpress. This website looks really, really good. So that means they spent a lot of time on this website, and there's no reason for anybody to do that if this product is actually not a winner. And these are the products that are going ahead and scaling to 10K a day right now, as you can see. Especially with summer coming up, a lot of girls are going to want to go ahead and shave their body hair. So as you can see, this tool right here, AdScout, makes it really, really easy to find these winning products. And if you want to use it, there should be a link down below, and use the promo code Andrew15 for 15% off. But yeah, this is really easy. You don't have to go search no keywords. You just scroll and find some winning products. By the way, they do have filters, so if you want to use the filters, you definitely can. I'm gonna go ahead and choose Shopify right here. It's already pre-selected for us. Media type, you choose videos only. For domains, I do .com domain, store, .shop, and then go ahead and play around with the fill total as we really want to. I'm not gonna play around with it today, but for example, we do 10, and then go ahead and put this to 112, click apply filters. As you can see, it's already showing us a bunch of different dropshipping products with just the filters alone. So as you can see, it makes it really easy for you to find winning products just like this one. Scrolling down, we have another product right here that looks really good.
I have a stomach that looks like this. I'm going to show you guys how these viral bodysuits can just snatch all this up. These are the bodysuits. You've probably seen them everywhere.
So that's a really good hook. It literally shows a girl with a bunch of belly fat, as you can see right there. And they're going to go ahead and show you the result. So let's go ahead and take a look at it.
They're super cute. They're ribbed. They have 10% spandex, so they are going to be compression, but not so tight that you can't breathe. I have a lot of loose skin from losing a lot of square footage on this body, so we're going to show you how this works. It's already sucking me in. Look at that. So I'm not even going to strap it. I'm just going to tuck it in. It's giving me a shape.
All right, as you can see, the final result looks really good. You can't even tell she has all that loose skin. Go ahead and click shop now, look at their website. As you can see, the website looks really good. It's called the Rib Snatching Bodysuit, and basically all the girls here, there's before and after, that shows before and after, and it looks really good. So girls that want this result are definitely go ahead and buy this. As you can see, it's going down, effortless shaping, a bunch of testimonials, even a tutorial how you can go ahead and wear it, and a 90-day back guarantee, so it's gonna go ahead and raise conversion rates a lot. So just scrolling down, there's so many winning products. I'm not going to show you all of them. This is a winning product right here from Minecraft. I'm not going to show it because there's probably copyright issues with this product right here. But as the website sees, it's basically a STEM learning magnetic block. Honestly, it's just Minecraft. But this is a winning product by itself. A lot of people are selling this. It's going to 10K a day. But like I said, there's a lot of copyright issues with this product right here. So I wouldn't recommend it. But going back, there's so many winning products. Go ahead and scroll down. This is another winning product right here that is definitely doing over $10,000 a day.
One of the things I love about the Pilates reformer board from the Now Fit is just how compact and convenient it is. Like, I can get an incredible workout from the comfort of my own home. So that means no waiting, no touching dirty machinery, and no carrying a heavy gym bag.
All right, this product right here is for Pilates. If you guys don't already know, Pilates are super expensive. They're like $30 to $100 per class. So if this product is even less than that or around there, it'll save them from just going to a Pilates class. Now, this product's been around for a pretty long time already, but it's definitely a winner. They're selling it for $159. And like I said, people aren't afraid to spend money as long as it's worth it. And as you can see, if you order this, you get a free book, you get a free training video, some socks, some belts. And this is a really branded dropshipping website. As you can see, they have a bunch of professional photos to the left right here. And this is definitely one of the products you can go ahead and scale to 10K a day. By the way, I do have a private Discord community where I do weekly calls, like live product research calls. So if you want to join, there should be a link down below. And I have an entire dedicated section based on product research alone. That's 2 hours of footage of me doing product research right in front of you. There's also a chat where you can go ahead and ask me about products that you found. So I can go ahead and tell you whether or not the product is good or bad. And it also comes with an entire case study where I did 0 to 170K revenue. And I applied all the methods from this exact same video. I'll show you my product. I'll show you my exact Shopify store. And I'll even show you the ad creatives and even inside my ads manager. So if you want to go ahead and connect with me and my community and learn more about product research, join my private Discord down below. We have another product right here just right after this one. This product is like an at-home workout as well. So go ahead and take a look at it.
The first time I saw the waist twisting machine, it reminded me something of what my mother used to do back in the 90s when she used to twist. And when I tell her she had a waistline, Coca-Cola bottle shape was her middle name. So I had to get it immediately because who don't want to snatch them waistline? If you really...
As you can see, very organic video, just showing someone using the product. And let's go ahead and take a look at their website. I already opened it up before. But as you can see, this product looks really good. They named it the Core Fit Waist Twist Sculptor from the comfort of your own home. Basically looks really good. It just shows a bunch of testimonials. As you can see, a bunch of people are skinny and they're using it. They look fit right here. And it's a fun way of going ahead and working out at home. And definitely meant for the girlies that want to lose some body fat. You see real people, real results right here. By the way, we're like 2 minutes or 5 minutes into going to AdScout. It already shows like a few winning products already. Doing no work whatsoever. All I'm doing is just scrolling down. I'm not searching no keywords up. I'm not trying to find the hidden competitors. I'm not trying to do anything. All I do is just keep scrolling. And there's a bunch of winning products as you can see right here. So there's another product right here.
Yes, it is the bag that fits a gallon of milk, and it just restocked in so many different colors: beige, checkered, khaki, espresso. All of it is freaking restocked. So run to the link because you guys, they're gonna go fast. If you're wanting beige.
All right, this is for moms for the everyday carry bag. Let's go ahead and take a look at their website. So they named it Go Free, the roomiest crossbody. That's the bag that they're selling right here. And right here, they have a bunch of testimonials. And this bag, it fits a gallon of milk. I don't know why you need to carry a gallon of milk, but it just shows you how big the bag is. There's a bunch of compartments, big capacity, zero bulk. As you can see, 3 pockets, 0 chaos. There's a bunch of things that will help moms carry around when they go ahead and go outside with their kids. All right, we have another product right here.
Either pay for this one time, which it's actually on sale right now, 30% off, which is nuts. Or you could pay for a facial, which is 100, 200, however many hundred a time. You choose, but this is the Nepla facial roller.
So this avatar for this product is really good. She's skinny, she has good skin features, and she's just saying, hey, you want to spend $100 to $200 on the facial, or spend a few bucks for this product right here. Go ahead and take a look at the website right here. As you can see, beauty roller, lymphatic drainage, and this product only costs $40, and they give you free gifts that's worth $20 and $15.99 or $14.99. And yeah, this product, again, bunch of testimonials. I hope you get a good jawline, good skin features, and all these people right here are pretty good avatars for this product. This is before and after, as you can see. And they even have instructions to go ahead and show you how you can use this product. So anyone that wants to go ahead and have a better face shape, better skin features, instead of paying $200 for a facial, then go ahead and try to buy this product right here. Anyways, there's so many products on AdScout. Like I said, if you want to use AdScout, go to the link down below. I'm pretty sure this is another women's product right here. And like I said, we did zero work. All we do is scroll. So if you want to find a wedding product that they will do $10,000 a day, make sure to go ahead and use AdScout. By the way, and if you want to work with me one-on-one to help you go ahead and find your winning product, create your brand in Shopify store, and run your ads to 10K a day like my students have in the beginning, go ahead and go to the link down below and book a call with me. And that's pretty much it. Once you find your first winning product, there's another video down below to show you how to go ahead and test your winning product on Facebook. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.